All right, guys, so we're building a picket fence for the dog run. It's gonna be a nice little weekend project. Miranda and the girls are gonna help me. These are 10 feet. We want 8 foot. Excuse me, sir, are those 8 footers? You got it on the other aisle?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, right in the front? Oh.
Right there in the left side in the corner.
Okay. This wood's pretty wet. Thank you.
Hey, pick it up because someone have a little bit coarse.
I was looking down the line, and they're kind of wet too, huh?
Oh yeah, that's what I thought to my wife. I pick up these two.
Are they wet? They're good thing they don't charge by weight. Have a good day. These are actually pretty straight. These ones in the back.
Picket fences have these big ones?
Yeah, 4x4s. Yeah, they have them.
Hey, better look very Beatrix Potter guy.
10 bags concrete. That's 1. We need 1 more. Why is it so important about which concrete you pick?
Well,
Just the money?
this concrete takes a long time to set. So when you put the posts in, the cement, they can move on you a little bit. These ones dry a lot faster.
A post digger.
Grab one bucket, Arbar. Pull the hole. There you go. Good job. Thank you. This is a post hole digger. You smack it down to the dirt and do this. And then pull the dirt out.
You might need it for work sometime.
Sometimes, yeah. Wabby wabby. Alright guys, so we got the 4x4s loaded, all the concrete. So today I'm gonna aim to have these posts set. We'll see if I do all of them or half of them. It depends on how the day goes. These are gonna be 3 feet out of the ground. And then the pickets will go another like 6 inches up. But what I'm gonna do is have 3 feet out of the ground, 1 foot in the ground, but additionally, maybe like another 5 to 6 inches of cement underneath the post. Yeah, I'm hoping that's strong enough. We'll see. You want your longer parts of this post to be on the outside, so when you cut, it doesn't bind here in the middle. So as you're cutting, it'll pull away. So you want to make sure your boards are close enough. See how that pulled away? It didn't fall in. Okay, so there's all of our posts. Hey, Pan, you ready for a new dog run? Let's go this way. You gotta stay on this side, babe. Come on. Good girl. Good girl, Pan. We love you. Since this is kind of like low pressure, take our time situation, we're gonna build this side first. By the way, we have a dog run set up for her already over here. What we want to do is kind of keep her away from this back fence. All the people riding by, she's a barker and kind of high anxiety as it is. So we want to kind of keep her away from that. The second reason is in the summer, you can see how shaded this is. In the summer, this is a lot cooler over here. The house shades this side. I want this to be square off of the house. So I'm gonna go far down on the end here, put a stake, pull a string all the way to this side, and we're just gonna get that string right to where it barely hugs the house. Got all these dang weeds. This cable right here is no longer needed. We're just gonna cut it. Just kidding. You like my big hammer? It's a little overkill, isn't it? I'm gonna come way over here. Just grab it anywhere. I'm gonna cut it just so it doesn't fly really far. There you go. Thanks, baby. So now we're square off of the house. And like Miranda just asked me, are we gonna go off of this post? And yes, we are. So what we're gonna do to do that is check, okay, what's the center of that post? It's almost exactly a foot. Wow. I mean, literally dead on, basically. I love you. You want to come help? Okay, go tell mommy you want to help daddy. It's 11 7/8. That's basically where we want our post. This is going to be a knuckle buster. Oh, great. Foundation. Wow. We got this pipe right here too. So what we'll do in this case, our posts will be out more, but our rails will just have extend past. That's not a big deal. That's easy. Distance in is almost just dead on. That's perfect. Now we need to be 16 inches deep in that hole. Go ahead and take that tape measure and check our depth.
Daddy, brand new tape measure.
Yep. I'd like to be at 16 about, okay?
14.
Good girl. Good job. Okay. So how many more inches do we need to go?
Let's see. We need to get a 16.
Yeah.
2 more inches.
2 more inches right here. You want go ahead, jump on that post hole digger, girl. Remember how to use it? Good job. I'm gonna give you some little bit of advice because I don't want you to hurt your hand. That's the only reason. Come stand over here. There you go. I want you to come this way. That way when you come out, you're not smacking your fingers against the house. That would hurt. So when you go down, they need to be put together. So go down hard. Boom. Good job.
Look at all this dirt.
Just from one hole. Can you believe that?
Imagine a whole hole. Hey, Daddy, we're both wearing boots.
We both got our boots on, girl. So Daddy went that way and I hit my hand against the wall. You want to try to do a couple post hole digs? Anna, you want to help? Grab this with 2 hands. Come grab it good. Oh. Lift it up. Oh. Is that good? Okay. Is that a better shovel? Okay. Let me lift you over the string. You guys go make a nice big new hole over there, okay? Thank you, love. You think one bag is good for one post? We will find out. If that's the case, I got way too much concrete. I have a little shovel back here, I thought. Yeah. This guy will be perfect. Got concrete, a shovel. Let's get a post. I'll get the longest one, maybe this one. We're good to go, Cotton Eye Joe. So these are gonna go a foot in, and we'll have about 4 inches of concrete on the bottom. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix up a real dry mix of concrete for the bottom. It's still gonna be wet, but dry-ish, to set my post on top of. That way when I pour my wet around the sides, it'll kind of, mesh a little bit better. A lot better than going dry, like fully dry. This Home Depot bucket, you could just think about when I brought her home as a puppy in this little bucket. I think she is yet. I want to go basically 3 feet up, so basically right on the money. Doesn't need to be perfect. That's close enough. I'm gonna use my kid's little shovel. I'll be about 12 inches into center. Right on the money almost. I mean, that's it. It's about as good as it gets. You want the concrete to be a little higher up against the post so water runs away from the post. There we go, one post ready to go. What we'll do next is put put a screw at the back here, wrap a string around it, go to the other side of that post. It's going to give us our line for these other posts. Okay, so the bottom of this ruler is dead on with this post. We're going to go to that post and mark it. There we go. Boom, laser, we're done with her. We're done with the laser. You concrete guys know how to do strings really well. There's like a little trick the Odells tried to teach me. How you kind of just pull it tight and then wrap it around itself. Man, I couldn't get it down. Maybe that says something about my IQ. Can't go too tight, it's just a push pin.
Commit your work and be
Good,
guided
actually.
in love. He'll straighten your path, he'll steady your hand. He'll lead your soul to the promised land. Oh, keep your name clean, keep your heart right. Walk in the day and refuse the night. Better than gold, better than high esteem. A good name's worth more than a rich man's dream. Hands on the plow, heart to the king. Work